Howdy gamers, it's your boy Roman with the Krieg back in the house. You're welcome back in the house. Why are you in my house? But most importantly, welcome back. So basically, here's some context. We're trying to get this fortress, and I'm thinking of breaking the siege by sending in my units. But I fear that they're gonna send in like hundreds of units more. So that's why. Because even though I'm small brain, I think that the enemy's gonna send in more units since they're not. How are they gonna take a fortress when there's 15 guys in there, like 15 divisions? So I think they're gonna send in like a lot of more units, which I fear will happen. So yeah. And there is a garrison in the fortress, which is half my entire team. So yeah. Here's my skirmisher unit. I learned that you can now merge your team, so yeah, that's good. But most importantly, yeah, nothing. I got nothing. But we do have a Razan unit, so yeah, that's good. We need to. I won't bother. Oh no, which. I won't bother about sending help to the fortress because there's like hundreds of units there, and if they do try, they'll just get chokeslammed by the defenders. These guys I care the most because these are the ones that are holding and making a path for my troops to go in. But most importantly, I need my artillery there because artillery is like God for us. They are helping us in each single fight in this entire battle. So wait, there we go. I just released these guys, which in case every single unit's back, I will put them back to their main force. You know what, Bruce? You deserve a break. Where's Bruce? Where's the Bruce brigade that I got them from? I think they were just here. I think they were already a battalion. I mean, skirmisher unit. I think they always been a skirmisher unit. Bruce, you know what, Bruce? You deserve something. Okay, looks like the first Hawaii company deserves a break also because they've been chokeslammed repeatedly by the enemies. So let's just help them out. How much kills did the first Hawaii company get? 100 kills. Basically half the entire units everywhere. So let's give the Bruce hey, it's Bruce skirmishers. Wait, Bruce does have a unit because there we go. Bruce, here's your new home, Bruce. Oh no, Bruce, come back. Bruce! Batman, come back! Oh dear. It's so hard. There's 1,000 guys! There's 1,000 guys! Oh no. The enemy division has been spotted. A division? Okay, come on, this is overpowered. Okay, boy, you gonna get this. You gonna get the fist. Okay, Bruce company. Okay, Bruce division. Just a little bit more. The only guys you gotta defend now is just Okay, the only guys you now have to defend now, it's just these bad boys. It's the infantry. It's the first corps. Yeah, that's the first corps. We must defend the first corps. Oh gosh, darn. Oh no. Every unit go back. Oh no! We're getting chokeslammed. Syl is breaking us. Okay, this is not good. So you can easily tell who's just skirmishers and who's skirmishers from units. We got Hazan, Mahun, and skirmishers. Hampton skirmishers. That means they're theirs, and these guys are going to go back. So this is very hard because we're like trying our best to hold on against the enemy. We have little more than just 2 companies of skirmisher. Oh, come on! Look, they're not even gonna reach it. Oh no, someone had a route. Oh my! You know what, Maget? My spaghetti. We gotta push them back. Boys! How are we gonna do this? Okay. Someone charge at them. We can turn them into skirmishers. Oh, that's too stupid. Hampton skirmishers. Where's Hampton? Let's just go back and... Oh no! Come on, you can push them back, boys! For the Union! Come on, baby. Oh my gosh, we're destroying them. That's not good. We didn't gain an upper hand at all. Oh no, there's artillery! No! They're gonna hurt artillery. I have to bring in one of the big guns. There we go, baby. Oh, they're retreating. Fire. Oh gosh. Fire, yes. Yeah. Well, we actually didn't get almost none of them. Instead, oh no, this is not good. They're going back. No. Everyone retreat. Oh no. We're so close. We can reach it. There's just so much Confederates on the left side. The only things... No! Morton, no! Morton, Noto! Mortal! No! Martha, don't retreat! No! You don't have to retreat! No! I have no choice. Ah! Not my artillery! You deserve pain! Come on, boys, we're gonna get some revenge. Oh god, this is not good. Oh no! Oh no, look, they're now unitless. Darn it. This sucks. This really sucks. Oh, this is what I meant by I fear that they're gonna have way too much units. I was right. They literally, look, I don't even have artillery anymore. Like, bro. This is so much pain. I have no choice but to bring them back. Where's Bruce Company? The only good thing now is that our units are home. Where's Bruce. They're gonna keep attached. They're gonna keep fighting back. I have no choice. I gotta retreat. Wait, I can do something even poggers. That is, I just... Okay, you know what? Oh, come on, you know what? Hampton skirmishers, yeah, you were a good soldier. Fire! Come on! Fire! Fight back. Don't let them touch the artillery. Oh, no! No! Don't let them touch it. Don't let. Ah, they touch my baby. You're letting them touch my baby, and my baby can fire cannonballs from its mouth. No. Ah! This is so not good. This is so not good. Fires down the tree. Just melee them. Come on. You can do this. Ah! You deserve pain. Oh dear gosh. Fight back. Fight back, boys. No! They killed our commander. Jeez Louise. There's so much you know what? It's the end of the video. Not because I'm gonna end this all. It's 10 minutes, meaning it's faster for this video to upload. Oh jeez! Come on, you can get out of there, buddy. You can get out of there. Come on. Dear gosh. You can get out of there, boys. You get out of there, buddy. Charge, Hazan. We made them suffer. Let's go. So that's the end. Mahone is still alive. How is Mahone still alive? So yeah, that's the end of this video. Pretty much, yeah. So now we know how 20,000 men can fit inside this, and we most importantly know that we are completely screwed. We are so